Okay, so today started eventful already. I just got a phone call from Brian saying he wrecked me out in the rain. Now, I didn't believe him at first. He's literally called me and joked about this like 15 times. So I didn't believe him. And I think it kind of stressed him out a little more than he already is. But we're on our way to go pick him up. We're going to check the damage and we're going to see what's up. We'll see y'all there. Okay, y'all. I don't have the GoPro right now, so I'm recording on my phone, but we're at the Miata. Brian's okay. He's a little sore and obviously a little kind of disappointed, but it happens. Up here at this corner where this church is, the roads get really slick. I've put my Mustang on the sidewalk on the other side of the street before, so I would know. But this Miata's got some bad tires, so it's unfortunate. There we go. It's unfortunate, but it looks like our first rebuild on the channel is probably going to be Brian's Miata. It's not terrible. Obviously, the wheel is pointed in the wrong direction. So we got the bumper, we got the wheel, and we got this fender. Fortunately, the windshield cracked too upon impact. I really think it's just the control arm. That control arm's pretty bent. We're going to hope the subframe's okay. But definitely the wheel's cooked. Fender, bumper, cooked. But he is okay. He's all right with me filming too. I didn't just do this out of spite. And we're going to be in contact with the owner / pastor of this church soon to make sure they're okay with us leaving it here until we can tow it. And we already fixed the damage to the ditch line. It was just a couple rocks, so all that's good. But today started unfortunate, but I think that's all right. We're going to have a come up out of this, and it's going to be great. Thank y'all for watching.